Unlock the secrets to connecting with realtors on Zillow and watch your real estate opportunities soar. First, navigate to the Zillow listing you're interested in. Whether it's a property for sale or rent, scroll down to the bottom of the listing page here. You'll find the Contact Agent section, usually displaying the listing agent's photo and contact information. You'll typically see options like call or email. Calling can be great for immediate questions, but email allows for a more detailed introduction and provides a written record of your conversation. Click on their preferred contact method. Now, let's craft a compelling message. Start with a professional greeting, for instance, "Dear Realtor's name," and keep it concise. Briefly introduce yourself and your purpose for reaching out. Whether it's about a specific property or exploring potential business collaborations, mentioning the listing number can also help to connect your message to the property that you're interested in. And your message with a clear call to action, such as requesting a call back or scheduling a meeting. Always remember to proofread for grammar and spelling errors before hitting send. That's it. You've successfully reached out to a realtor on Zillow. Effective communication is key, so be polite, professional, and persistent. Good luck with your realtor networking.